Good morning everyone, this is Miss Isra. I hope you're doing well. Today, I'm going to show you how to find totals of amounts of money in a very easy way. We'll learn that through the challenges of the workbook, page 188. But before everything, you have to know that we write money as numbers with a point. The numbers on the left show us the amount of notes that we have, which are made of paper. And the numbers on the right show us the amount of coins that we have. Here we have $7.75. Now, before anything, we'll learn everything about the $1. Are you ready for my questions? Alright, how many cents are there in each dollar? There are 100 cents, so each dollar equals 100 cents. How many half dollars are there in $1? Each half equals 50 cents, so there are 2 halves in $1. How many quarters are there in $1? Each quarter equals 25 cents, or 0.25. So each dollar has 4 quarters, 4 25 cents. Now if you have $1 and I take a quarter from you, how much money is left with you? You'll have 75 cents left with you, which equals 3 quarters. Alright, you have a quarter. How many quarters do you need to make $1? It's the same thing. In each dollar there are 4 quarters. So if you have 1 quarter, you'll need 3 more quarters to make $1. Okay, I have 90 cents. How much money do I need to make it $1? Well, I'll need 10 cents, which is a dime, to make it $1. If I have $1.80, how much money do I need to make it $2? We'll need 20 cents to make it $2. If I have 75 cents, how much money do I need to make it $1? I'll need a quarter, which equals 25 cents. Okay, I have $3.50. How much money do I need to make it $4? I'll need half a dollar. So, as I mentioned earlier, if we have 90 cents and we want to make it $1, we'll need 10 cents, which is a dime. And this is exactly the same as rounding. So if we have 90 cents and we want to round it to the nearest dollar, it's exactly adding 10 cents. Now let's go back to the workbook challenges. So Rashid bought 2 racing cars. They each cost $7.75. How much did he spend? Show how you worked out your answer in the box. Well, we're gonna work that out using the usual addition method of addition, which is adding numbers vertically, in which we place numbers right above each other, and we deal with numbers with a point exactly as we deal with any number that we dealt with before. So let's work that out now. Choose the color, let's say you like blue or yellow. Okay, let's start adding from the right side. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 0 down, 1 above. Okay, I want to change the color now to blue. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Plus 1, it will equal 15. 5 down, 1 above to the left. Okay, now we'll change the color and we'll place the dot right where it is, right below the dots above. Now I want to change the color again to, let's say, what is this, pink? Okay, so 7 plus 7 equals 14 and 1, it equals 15. So the total is $15.50. We'll write that answer in the box here. Alright, so it's 15. Don't forget the dollar sign at first. Then it's $15.50. So this is how we worked it out. We used the usual method of addition. Okay, we can use another way to add these numbers, and I think it's faster than the usual method. But if you don't like it, you can stick to the method that you know. Alright, so I'm gonna tell you about the rounding method. And I'm starting with a very easy example. So if we say that the racing car costs $7.75, okay? And we want to add it with another 7.75. Is it easier to add it this way or deal with whole numbers? Like we deal with, let's say, only notes. We don't need coins. Okay, I don't have change. I have only notes. So we want to round the number to the nearest dollar, and that will equal 8, because as I told you before, we look at the number that is right next to the point from the right, which is 7 here. So if the number that is right to the point is 5 or more, we add 1 to the number that is to the left of the point. So that will equal 8, because 7 is bigger than 5. So how is that helping us in finding totals? Now we rounded the 7.75 to 8, right? Okay, I think it's easier to add 8 plus 8 rather than adding 7.75 plus 7.75. So 8 plus 8, it will equal, do you know that? Do you know the answer? It equals 16. Now notice that the number that we added to the 7.75 to be equal 8 is 0.25, which is a quarter. And we added 2 quarters to the 2 numbers. So we have 2 quarters which equal 0.50. Remember that we have to take away whatever we added through rounding. So we have to take away 0.50 from 16. So 16 minus 0.50 equals 15.50. Thank you for watching.